It's gonna rain!
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
Dude, we need to find shelter.
Oh my God, yeah, we do. It could rain sideways.
Oh my God, we need to find shelter. Conrad, I found something.
What is it?
I found shelter. Hey, I found a raindrop. It ain't working.
Oh my God, it's raining. We need to get under shelter. All right, there's no way we can get rained on under this roof. It's okay, buddy. Get off of me. Oh my God, it's raining on us! How is it possible?
It's raining sideways.
Oh my God, it's actually happening! Oh my God, it's actually raining sideways! Ah! Hey dude! Wait up! Oh my God.
It's raining sideways! It's raining sideways!
Buddy, no! Don't worry, buddy! I'm coming for you! Oh my God, it's so cold! I'm not giving up! I'm not giving up!
Don't worry, buddy. Grab my hand.
Dude, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. No, I'm not okay.
Dude, should we just take the raining sideways like a man?
Yeah, I think we should take this like a man.
Connor and Simon died because they drowned.
Ugh.